Real quickly, let me show you what I'm doing today. I got the exterior of my Corvette painted. Now I want to paint all around the engine bay area, underneath, the wheel well areas. And what I did, you can see it's all covered up with plastic. I got one of these plastic car covers, disposable car cover. This one's from Griot's Garage, but you can get them from lots of places. They're not expensive, you know, less than 20 bucks, I think. And I threw it over the whole car, and then just cut out where I needed to and taped it up tight around the wheel wells. Now I'm going to try and get all the underneath side and in this engine bay painted. I'm going to be using just Rust-Oleum, satin black,